Hello, everyone. Ever spent hours searching for relevant research, jumping from one tab to another only to end up more confused? We all know how overwhelming literature reviews can be. But what if I told you there's a faster and smarter way? Meet Enago Read. It is an AI powered assistant that simplifies literature reviews. Its related literature feature helps you discover the most relevant research in seconds. With access to over 200 million papers, it finds the most relevant reading recommendations based on your work with superhuman speed. So, getting started is simple. After signing in, you upload your paper or add the DOI link of the paper. And after it is uploaded, you can click on related papers and Enago Read will instantly find related research which you can add to your reading list. And let's say if you need to find related papers on a concept or a content that you are reading, you simply highlight the text and click on related papers, and it will find more related papers to that highlighted concept which you can either staple to make it organized or add the entire paper to your reading list. And based upon your current reading list, Enago Read recommends or suggests related literature that you can review and add to your reading list. You also get email alerts to ensure that you don't miss out on important literature. You see, research doesn't have to be overwhelming. With Enago Read, you can focus on what truly matters, analyzing and building on existing knowledge instead of getting lost in endless searches. So try it yourself today. Visit read.enago.com and you can take your literature review to the next level.